you've waited so long, time and time again. All you say is that I did you wrong, so you turn your back on the world, pretending to be strong, but you're crying deep inside. You're still hurting from the lies, and I'm the man that you despise. Now you put up a wall, now you act like you don't know me at all. Every time you see me, no, it's not the same. Brand new you, but the feelings ain't changed. Do you still see me and you together, or should I let go of you right now? On me bad for work, for every moment that you made me smile. Can I just see you and stay for a while?
I'm trying to find who we were before the lies I learned. So take me back to this time. Amnesia.
Up to a reality without you. Probably was never even your type to begin with, but somehow you saw something in me. A lonely soul in the world just roaming free. In my arms you cried, and I am the only reason why you are afraid to love again. Cause you compare me to every guy that dates you. I hate you, you left me and it hurt you. You lied to me cause I lied to you. It was my fault and what I had to do. Cause you deserve much more than what I gave to you. I wanna stay, wanna wait for you. Let me relive all the pain for you. It ain't really all gone, let the hurt fade away and bring back what we made.
I'm trying to